Klarius has a range of problem-solving products. Now, these range from simple pipe fixes, which are a sleeve on and off, to solutions for slightly more expensive problems. Now, this particular one I have in front of me is for a BMW 520d from 2005 to 2007. On this particular car, the catalytic converter is attached to the exhaust manifold, and just behind is a bellows. Now, this particular component, over time, and again, these cars are getting fairly old now, is going to flex and flex and flex until it breaks. Now, as soon as it breaks, it leaks. Now, the replacement, you'll be shocked to find out, and you will do if you've got one on your ramp, is well over £1,000. The reason is that the cat and the bellows are all one piece from the OEM. If what you need is the whole unit, then Klarius does produce it. It comes with the bellows and the cat attached. From a Klarius point of view, we took a look at that and we've got this product. So, when you come to use the product, you do have to cut off the bellows from the original. Now, when you do that, you can use this end and tack weld, a couple of tacks in there, in position, so that when it's fitted, nice even fit. You'll need to weld all the way around, but this is best done after you've tacked it, taken it off and put it on the bench. The other end is simple sleeve fit. So on a sleeve fit end, every one of these comes with a kit which has got a bracket in it. So if you're fitting the pipe into the sleeve end, if it's not a brilliant fit, then do use some paste, but don't use too much. And Klarius's advice always with these is make sure the paste doesn't reach the end of the pipe that's going into the sleeve, because the last thing you want is bits of paste going into the DPF, which in this instance is behind the position where you're going to fit the bellows. Now, from an availability point of view, these are available from anywhere that stocks Klarius product. They're really easy to get a hold of, and there's a range of different products and a range of different solutions for different models. So don't forget to ask for them when you've got a problem that you need solving on an exhaust system.